Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Monday to you. Back at another trade week. Let's see what it do. Like the market did a little pump from last Friday, making the highest. S&P 500, S&P 500, breaking the record, going to its high, a new 52-week high. It look like the market pulling back some. Made a little spike today. Look like it's coming back down, but overall, my portfolio is up today, $384.25, at $43,181. And it's coming down on $43,157, 148, 143,148. Market like it's pulling back. There you go, 40,144. Say we got a recession coming and looming. I don't know how long it's gonna last, but gonna cash up. Charge Point went on a little run today. I was asleep when it got up to the 204 range. I didn't have my sell limit set, so I missed it. By the time I got up, my alarm went off. It was at 190. I was holding, then I sold out at 185 because my average cost was at 185 and one was at 180. So I made some money, like $6 on one of them. I had like 200 shares. I got out of that. I said it look like it's gonna go back below 180. I can always buy back in, but I want to do it near the 52-week low, around that 165, 152 range. Get in at a better price. But I still have 500 something shares in my Robinhood account at $226 a share that I'm down in. So I still got some. I just want to get out of those and get in at a better price, if possible. Well, all right, let's get to it. Just want to close on that. Bitcoin holding above the 40,000 mark, 40,497, which is good. You don't want it to drop to that $30,000 range, but they say it could pull on back. Let's see what we're doing. USB, 41.45, still good. Banks look like they holding up. PBA, this is a monthly dividend payer. Still up in that. WBA Walgreens is green today. I need some of that, but I catch it on a red day. AGNC got earnings at the end of the day. All right, now it's at 971. They probably gonna have some good earnings. They have last 3 quarters. I think the earnings were good. So the earnings come out good. It's probably gonna pump above the $10 range. International paper. I did want to get some more of this. I want this to drop down some more though. 52-week low, 2,900. I'd love to get around that $32 range, which probably won't go back there anyway. EPR properties, I'm up in. NNN, it's another good REIT. Get some of this. Really not down enough though, but see what that does. 44.84 I'm at. SRC. Spirit, yeah, that's what that is. I can ride out a little bit on that. The market about to pull on back anyway. So I can kind of hold off on unit group. Market pulling back 530, 587. I'm gonna chill on the REITs and look at the market. See if there's any buy and hold things. Hawaiian Electric. No, I need to come down in that. They ain't got Tesla have earnings. Think they expected to have bad earnings. I got out of my Tesla last week. I sold my my whole position in it. I just sold my position in Amazon too. I was up like $85. I didn't have a lot. I brought some when it did get in the $85 range. last year, like a share and a half. It shot up quick. I didn't buy a lot because I was kind of limited on monies, man. Like it was suffering then, man. Like I was moving money from here to there, get my portfolio to a place where I didn't have to invest any more money, more invested into dividend paying stocks. Kinder Morgan, they was coming down. I'm good. I really like to get some more DX, but I want to catch that. When it pull back around that 1150 range, if it does, I don't have to buy anything. I'm good. I get dividends every day. I can just cash up. I'm gonna get some more Enbridge too when that pulls on back. I felt I was overweight in charge point. Like I said, I gotta get Nike. Get $5 worth of that today. Especially around that $100 mark. Felt I was kind of overweight in it. So I got 520 something shares on here, which I'm gonna show you. And I had 386 in my Cash App. I had like $780 worth, $770 worth. And I had 200 shares in my Webull portfolio. If I do reinvest, I'm probably gonna reinvest in my Webull because I'm able to swing trade the way that I want to. Cash App is cool when you want to swing trade. You can get in and out depending on how much trading you like to do. It's not as bad as Robinhood, but I'm gonna keep my swing trade in my Webull because I can get in and out of there freely. So if I do buy more, my Cash App is more of a buy and hold. I'm a nibble in my Cash App. I'm gonna buy some, but I'm a nibble at it. I'm not gonna load up no 50 and 100 shares the way I was doing. I'm gonna do 5 shares here, 5 there, just nibble at it when they make a new 52-week low. And that'll be a long-term home in there, but I ain't trying to get overweight in it. Cause I already have my Robinhood one. Where like I said, my average cost there is like $2.26. So I got it, I'm just dollar cost averaging that one. And that'll be my long-term hold for it. I don't really have a choice. Because I'm down in it. That's why I didn't want it. That's why I got out of the rest of them. I sold my other positions in my other portfolios because I still got to buy more in that Robinhood one. And I didn't want to be too much overweight in it. So I figured that was best because I could put that money, especially my Cash App. I'm down in AGNC and ARR. So I could put the money there and get me a monthly dividend versus charge point sinking and I'm not getting money, nothing for holding it. Then I'm kind of at a place in life where if I did need my dividends, my Cash App, I don't owe no margin on that. So that's free. And my Charles Schwab, I don't owe any margin, which I don't need it. I'm not in no financial trouble or nothing, but I just want to keep that free and open. I'm think about going more on AGNC. They pay a monthly dividend of 12 cents a share. I'm thinking about this swing trading that one. They got a decent average volume of trading of what's the percentage? 4.5 million daily. Google ING, I'm good. So I'm thinking about that. So I get some ORC. I like that. I don't think this gonna go back to no $7. We're gonna see. But they keep cutting their dividend. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Do what's best for the business. So I do understand that, being a business owner. This a buy under the $60 to $70 range. Add on some fraction shares of this. SLVO, just covered calls on silver. Pays out a high yielding monthly dividend. Need to come down to NLLY too. Just pay a nice dividend quarterly. SDIV. Yeah, like them at that 22 and under range. They pay out a monthly dividend too. And that's what I'm gonna focus more on, my monthly dividend payers. We got two. Pays a nice quarterly dividend. Probably gonna be one I'm gonna sell in the long term, but I gotta get down in it to be able to do that. HDV, MT, ain't pulling back a lot. 830. I catch that on another down day when it's lower. TSLY down, should be 980ish. What is we at now? We at 976. $3 worth. AMZ, I was Amazon. I know Amazon kind of pulling on back, so I will be dollar cost averages down in this one. Clip getting tore up. Clip just made another 52-week low. Why I tell y'all don't load up on this. You're gonna load up on it, load up and sell it just to lower your average cost. I brought 20 shares at today. In my Webull portfolio, it triggered at 1481 and 1472. No, 1475 and 1481. I put a sell order in at 1478 for the 20 shares, and at 1484 or 85 for the other 20. I just brought them to lower my average cost, and as you can see, it's tanked more below that. So that's what it is. In this portfolio here, I'm just dollar cost averaging it. I spend $3 a day on it. Dollar cost averaging down in it. Does pay a nice dividend. TSLY, I'm down negative $205. As long as I made $205 in dividends, I am good. I know when it get to a point where it's real Tesla just doing bad now. So it's a time when you do want to accumulate some shares on this. China Crane shares, last time I checked, had a PE ratio around 20, meaning it still has some way to come on down. I'm down 126.51 in this. I know I have made that in dividends, and I got another dividend payment coming. It's 1576. My China Crane shares should come on back, but I ain't tripping. I want to get my 100 shares, but from here on out, I'm just gonna dollar cost average in this portfolio in it. XOMO, AMDY, 2272. I just brought $1 to keep that on the map, just to watch it. Let's watch some Wendy's. I know it's up for the day, above the $19. This is my charge point now. I got I have 529 shares at 225. Charge point look like it is holding. My price I brought in, I sold was at 184, so I can buy back in at that. Another one was my average cost was 180, and the one I sold in my cash app was 184. I like to get back at that 160 range if it goes back. 52-week low 156. It went up to 204 today. Let's see what it's gonna do. But I just felt I was too overweight in it. If I want to hold for the long term, I do have 500 shares here. That's enough. If it goes to people want to see this back in the $14 range. I don't know if it's going to be there, but we're going to see. Probably going to be a while. Y'all make sure y'all get some Pfizer, PFE, and British American Tobacco too. Ticker BTI. Buy those under $30 and under. Accumulate some shares. Can't get a whole one, get fractional shares. I wouldn't load up on those shares to get some fractional shares of it. And ticker DEO. If you can catch that, Diageo, that there's the liquor company. If you can catch that preferably under that 138 range. It got a 52-week low of I'm sure you got a 52-week low of I think like 136, 137. So I've been buying $5 and $10 and $20 a day, get my average cost down. I got it in my Cash App portfolio. Like right now is a good time to buy it. And that's all I'm doing, man. GGYM, go get your money. Also, look at your MPW. Looking like it's doing something. That's another reason why I got out of the charge point. I can need to put some money here too. Looking like it's going to make a little run. I need to come down in this portfolio, but I look better in my other two. But at least this does pay a dividend. If this does get cut, at least it does pay a dividend compared to charge point, which doesn't. Like I said, right now, charge point, I'm almost $1,000. Well, I done paid 529 times 225 average cost. So I'm over $1,000 in it. Could have had that, put that somewhere else, but it is what it is. Go get your money. I'm out.